Yo, me nan Ghana for where the message church munina ya mwamu ni akofi afumni na endeso masan bay. Me din chia kese ne aseda kese be ma omo ama subscribe to my channel Kofi Afum Motivations YouTube. What are you doing as Ghana ba Facebook? Subscribe and also follow me on Facebook. Now in some me dey ba na was wait it. Say yema wa na so wa share. Say to asuma obetimi a share, obetimi sua bibie free mu na yeso no ye de aboye bra na esi enye na Ghana so betimi si Ghana ye nti na me ba ha me pese me bebusa a question and there are questions nko. Do you understand? Use the brain to judge everything that you do. Use the brain that God has given you. Don't let them put you in a box. Don't let anybody put you in a box. Do you understand? Do you understand the Bible that you are using? Do you understand? Do you understand the religion that you are in? Do you understand what you are doing at this moment? Do you understand? This is the question today I want to ask you. Always when you take your Bible and want to go to church, when you take your Bible and you are going to church, ask yourself, do you understand what you are doing? Were you born into it, or you really understand what you are doing? Do you understand why you go to church every Sunday? Do you understand? Me pese mo ti ase say Bible no na Jesus do som na som o wiase nyina no obi na manufacture obi na yeye Nyankopon wa boy se ne seso yeje nyamedi obi sori a o se yen yesi yenje nyamedi yen ka se yenje nyamedi yeje nyamedi na osoma o wiase nyina no som no nipa dasani na yeye hwe yawo ya to esom yawo ya to especially Christosum yen de bia ya ba ye bo Christosum achi because Christosum na dodo na dɔɔso wɔ Ghana entini Christosum na ye beka ho asem but esom bia o wiase bia say Christosum say Muslim esom bia o wiase bia Hindu esom bia o wiase bia nipa dasani na yeye entini say yawo wa to esom bi ma na say wanyine wɔ som bi ma wo say ubusa questions. Do you understand what you are doing? Ask questions. Use your brain. Do you understand what you are doing? Ask questions. Use your brains. Nyankopon owo ye ba wiase no. Anas o me say owo ye oboy ye wo ye no. Ye maame ne ye papa na ehia ne omo wo ye. Enti no obo ade no wa ye ye nwie, wa boy ye wie, wa ma ye bibia ye pe, wa ma ye adwen, wa ma ye ni, wa ma ye hwene, wa ma ye ano. Wamaye bibia wamaye natural resources wamaye ndua ba ebe dua enti na ebro udua ebro na utwa na we a oso uje bia obesen dua na sen fifi enti na adwen be ka kire se udua ebro a efifi na we a oso sen jebi na wasen dua na sen fifi bibia ekutu eso ni season ba eso na otete a oso preserve bi na time ebi ni hono na wanya bi edi bibia Nyankopon ode amayen dada wamaye natural resources enti wiase ya ewe no o hwe bibia dan mitimi bibia o dan mu bia no nipa dasani na yeye me phone a me kasa wo so yi me car me twi me car kwa me nam so electricity bibia o wiase bia no nipa dasani na yeye na nipa dasani no oye free adwen na Nyankopon de amaye no Bible no na a religious book no book a amode asoppress yen heaven bia ni baby ayeko na hell bia ni baby ayeko minua ba ma yen ya sorry ye bese ye boa mo ye bese ye ma mo ti ase ye bese mo ti de mo ye nase enti na ya sorry no ye leader Evran Ben Moshe ono Bible no wa bo nanim abonachi wa win it say graphic enti onim bibia o Bible no enti church na o de church no so o de adwen na Yakopon de abo no o de adwen toto ho a ubehu said the papa no all can no kware enti na mbre bi meja video say sa papa no sa Evran Ben Moshe no ono no ye national hero ma ka kire mo say asori no mo fa nye motivational fellowship mun to Jesus in the Bible no ntwene mo betime use Bible no e de asua moral lesson from but say yam say Bible no nyame bi natural baby chesa wo kan a obekọ heaven bi o baby aminu aba ma o dada ho enti eno na yen ya sori pese mumu embra na yeyeku embra na nkrofo de Takashi Kokotu president free so embra na nkrofo koye niam kunkum nkrofo edi tu aban no sa mre na twam Sesia, we are fighting intellectual battle. Asofo na eni omuhia no, ye ne omuhia intellectual battle. Enti mu Ghana for mu youth, yen youth ayebe, we di 45 air cord down bia we youth. Enti the yen ayebe, ye pese ye yusu adwene na Nyankopon de amaye no. Ni ebusa ye ho se, adenti na Africa yentimi develop. Dem bonia na Africa yaye, dem bonia na Ghana yaye, enti na yentimi nko ye nim no. It's because in penyifo bia ba abebe di so a, sa penyifo no Ghana ye nya be 13 president from Kwame Nkrumah to nde, nya be 13 president. Presidents here ma be di enim nyina akwa nyina no. Obi eni what me led the national plan. I enim say ha na the highway air to all the way to Takoradi, and that's all the way to North, and that's all the way to Bolgatanga. You see yenya highways, super highways. Ewo Ghana. See the be utu ka fra Accra say o Kotamala. Unjina obejina na bia okojina kodwonso na akojina to petrol. Saa niema ni bi ne yepepe o Ghana. Enti yen ya sorry yepese mu se e Christosum no religion etwen ye san. Religion etwen ye san e ma yentimi nko yenim. Hwe wiase nyina no hwe kro a omunni omumfa Christosum enye omo daily bread. Ghana ahomachi be bompai ewie be bompai enyumre be bompai anajo be bompai Sundays e be kwa sorry. Religion no adidi emu ti de bia no ye wo ho a ye feel say nyame bi obabi a heavy bi obabi a ye ko. Enti ema ye nye adwumaden, ema ye forceful, ema ye hu se wo se ye yire ye ho ne ye papa ne ye ya de ye na yetimi e build ye crew. Saa de no efri ye mu patriotism asa a friend say adoye o se yima ye man no asa ye do asore no sense de ye do oman no. Enti me be se me busa say, do you understand what you are doing? Wo mma eba na umma no wo bo mpa ma umma ne se omo so omo nkwa abrochi ana se wo bo mpa ma umma ne se umma no omo ntra Ghana na omo nyini se umma betra Ghana anyini a and o se o start nya agensa kire se wo be se o build Ghana ma umma daachi o ye Ghana ye se de be ya oba o ko adwuma o sole tran de kama hu no ko enya afi na oba be sore ahomachi 3 o'clock edi traffic mu 5 o'clock and so na ko do adwuma mu 9 o'clock okodu adwuma mu open order until ultimate perform about 3 about 2 per also free adwuma mu e ban say yen Ghanaian citizens no yenye productive enti o say timi build your crew say crew no say nipa timi ko ban tem say nipa timi ye bibi opeso ye say movement ye effective and then ma economy ne ekoso Accra ya betra America ache yesuasu na me bebre wa America enti yebusa ye mo say e den na crew we mu omo bibi omo ye etimi koso yen ye de entimi nkoso. What is so different? Ye cramp de ye wo natural resources ye niema se ekwo we mu. I don't think ye ka akire sa busa ho. Media me say number one thing na pulling down e religion. Mama ye nya adwensache na ehu se yankasa na o se ye build your crew. Sa time na ye cool ni sa na na twam. Enti nsne no ye na o se ye sorry. Ye na o se ye dwumaden. Ye na o se ye koto aba ye yusu e ya adwen. Na Bible na ye mpanyifo de swear in no. Unse Bible no enye o mo hwe o. Panyin be kuta Bible de swear in. Ofri ho pe ogudu no office pe no owie sika a Bible no enye omo hwe na nka ye nananom Antoine ma ani abosum friend saying abosom akese e wo Ghana na ye di omo sobodua ni shinap ni nkosiom na sa mo de swear in na I don't think say obia be embezzle Ghana's money na nka Ghana ye be ko yenim ya to ya mamra atwene na yakofa obroni de na ye de sen ye crew because obroni no wa say ya adwen enye say ye ba ha ye tan obroni obroni dom be ye no ma ye wie enti ye nkasa na o say ye emancipate ye ho free mental slavery ho the shackles of mental slavery no say break it away from it because amode adwen na e say thinking for advancement no o ma ye free ho na the Bible na hye ho na the religion ahye ho enti bia ye ho say oh nyame bi oh former nyame hwamate na medu up to now former nyame enti no onchi obi antum me say so we MPP new we NDC new we di boni a o say ye chill tum enso no party be ba so no okova ne nkrofo o say emraba o say ye firm emraba o say ye sorry me ba ha me say me MPP ni Ghana for ma catch them say obi anfa ne ho endom party bi because wo ho na so unya uni party bi emu a and the one na wo ye ho wo Ghana na so unto aba one na wo ye ho because one to aba obi kwa koto aba amade wo mpe no beba so enti no obi a o so to aba abato eh all right one to aba crap na onye patriotic Emma or mine. And the battle de or say Obia to aba. Ne or say Obia pe party be dom. but put Ghana first. So ye NDC ni now feel say na Akufo-Addo do oye na ya okoto aba to aba na nado menka say ye NDC ni ntino NDC fo nko na obeto aba mo say dem ye o say dem nye enye obeto aba mo to aba ma aban a o feel so betima boa ama ombada achi esi emuye mamu ma nkrofo mfa ne ma nketenkete embadaada mo because say Christosum edidu mu a na uji obi ade a na fo se ososo no oye papa ma ni pakro no so obi cha wade a se osofo bi ma wade osofo bi ana se politician bi cha wade a na ye oso waye papa ntino oso to aba no ma no e bi adwen bi ani ni trim dan make am ha se omo ideas omo nyansa o se edibu oman no sankrofo bebre ni sikanti sankrofo omo ne nanenamo obi ho tie kurase so adwen wo anka obi bu oman no omo man sa opportunity because oni sika na de o sika no so no oni adwen na o se ebi bu oman no enti omo ba omo nya power MPO minister o de omo nya power na si de so mo use adwen de build kro no e maximum fo no nya ahoton no omo nya saa de no na se omo ne nam saa keke na sika die omo dwe vacation omo dwe ha omo de mo ba be ko abrochi akwawo omo dwe ha omo beto fie wa abrochi enti mo Ghana fo ne ye ne mo kasa yese mo sorry na Christosum no mo ntontwene baabi na mo nti de mo ye na se do you understand what you are doing de wo ye no o ye ama ummada achi enti na ndema ba ha mebusa question say do you understand what you are doing use your brain that God has given you. Use the brain that God has given you. Take action and do the right thing. Yen enye se bia onje nyame di a obeye obonsam. Enye se onje nyame di. Ye nyame di. Na mo nyame na oba me ka se mo onje nyame di me ka nyame na o mo Bible mu no. So enti no enye se onje nyame di a onje nyame na o mo Bible no Jesus ni di a obeye bone, obeye bad person. No. Mo ma yen train yemba in a way say yemba no omunye adwumaden, omunsu ade, omunye papa, ma oba ehu se oye de enya obekọ jail. Na jail na ye oba ne hell. So oba oyere no ho na se esim ye a te kwa me despite Kennedy Japan sikafo no omu heaven na omu wo no. Enti no fasade no tete oba na oba hu se oso ye dwumaden oba busa say na kwa me despite dey no do ho aka say hey dwumaden o not on CD not on cassette no yere no ho no be a radio station kakaka no be a TV station no start here yen products big kakaka esa e do the sound dey show oba mu a oba be hu se o say o ye dwumaden enye de bia mpaibo regbagba rokoto seraka rakata robokoto seraka de bia ye bompaye de bia nyankopon de ye ba wiase no ade ombre osoro ho wa ma ye bia ye pedada. And it is up to us to get up and work. Nyankopon wama obibia tesi de ukunu ko adwuma wama chop money wura also ko adwuma ko to neema ebe ye aduane ukunu ko adwuma balance one take action say obeba na scan that go enti wuna also this scan ko adwuma ko to neema ba benua menua ba ma a wo hwe me ye pese moti ase se Christosum na Bible obi na ye teach moral lessons but heaven be any baby ayeko Jesus be am be wiase busa ho say da ben na odi wani ehu Bible mu miracles no da ben na odi wani ehu bida enti da ye say a God whose supernatural powers can only be seen in a book but not in reality is equal to a God who never existed. A God whose supernatural powers can only be seen in a book but not in reality is equal to a God who never existed. Da ben na odi wani ehu Bible mu miracles ni bida Bible mu nsem no bebre ensi crampo to say Noah's Ark to say Daniel to Jatabumu, Shadrach, Medrak, Abednego. San insensum nyina ensi a story mo dey be encourage nipa e dey be shame mo be hu say o so mo gi bibidi na ye dey hell any heaven abedada mo adwendada say menu aba me say ade wo mo da dada ya che from ye nkwara brom unya di be woni bie ya 3 4 5 popeda 3 4 5 age old pe na dey asate hihyew enti ubenyini no na adwen no aden asesa enti na nde nipa bebre na eko against ye enti na nde nipa bebre na fighting because they don't understand. That is why I'm here to ask you, say, do you understand? Get up, use the brains that God has given you. Use adwene na kupon dia ma no o kan Bible na for adwene to hom. There is nothing like spiritual understanding. There's nothing like spiritual understanding. O kan Bible na say o kan see the etie pepe. U hia sunsum nti ase bia. Omo de eno no ada mo. Nti say kan Bible na say ye kyerɛkyerɛ mu a, na say ye ka kyerɛ mu a, mo say o kan no tra nti ase. But try na also kan no. It's a story book. Me ka kyerɛ mo say chemistry book, biology book, science books who want for some crampus in Bible because science book, chemistry books, I know when they use I invented them be brand they use no. And also who say Bible no omo da ye. Hwa asori inde ekokoso asori inde abortion, kokonsa, gossip, emre nkrofo yire no mofa, empratwe, motete asori dem so my mo ho nya atwom. Me nua ba me nua bema. Se usori di echi a, usori di common sense family echi a. Ubenya atamfo bebre but eno na e ka ho hye. Yenim se nkofo bebre agiyedi. Yenim se nkofo bebre gide ye ka ne tum. Enso so no obusuro because of opposition amobeshia because of atan amobenya. De ye kan no kware. De ye kan no kware. Minua bema. Busa ho se eye de na China for bae. Se Yakobon bo Adam and Eve. Adam and Eve, no more race, but no more tuntum and more brony. I'm from Italy because Nipa more Italy, no, or more different from Nipa more America. I'm more brofo, so more look different. Oko Philippines, I'm more look different from Chinese for. Oko India, Nipa more different. Nyanko obo Nipa, no more then race. Busa who certain questions. And do you understand what you are doing? Nyanko no boy, this is the Oko Africa, in one Africa, different from Oko Australia, one Australia no. Enti Nyankopon e bo mo nyina ye gidi se obo ade bi oho. Na obo ade na oho no obo yan wi. Enti yen na o se ye use adwene na Nyankopon ade amaye no. Ye water bodies e organ ani kwase ye se no. Yen na o se ye hwe nature so. Se ye hwe ye water bodies river ndua ne ade ahwe so ye ne ese na Nyankopon di bufu. Enti Nyankopon di bufu Africa hwe nso to kitikiti be hwe na ma esi because got our ho a esi me fa ball angum. Na nipa da se ne yankasa kasa de ball akogum. Mina bema. Me pesa me kasa no be tentente na de kakra ma kan no me gidi se what ya say busa who say do you understand the Bible that you are holding in your hand? Me kasa me the Bible crab ba me ja ho. Do you understand the Bible that you are holding in your hand? Do you understand? Busa who use the brain. Use the brain. Do you understand? Do you understand? Use the brain that God has given you. Because when you so adrena body ne bread, when you so adrena now you na herebo body ne be bread, they be a beggar. They be a beggar. Use the brain that God has given you. Work hard to achieve the things that God wants you to achieve. God have a purpose for you. Until your fingerprint will be different because Nakupon wa mount near me be also to me was so. Ebia una invented the next flying car. Ebia una invented the next train, fast speed trainer. Ebe ya Ghana. And so no ho na de bia rabagba. Minya bema. Change your wadrin. Nebusa won't say, do you understand what you are doing? The church that you go to every day, do you understand? Now yes, CSF, we are at a comfortable lead. Nobody can stop us. We are moving forward, and people are now waking up. Nipa sorry, me say, me be bianca because also now we papa we are there, we can quarry, we near my ya, who don't near we are there. Be biant me no shame. And it's all about CSF near, make sure say, oh, don't baby see what I had you my thing, I had the I papa, I don't nature. We are sad mana nature and kasankasa Nyankopon or better with cheap. And to whom sad no, ne sorry, ne shon hooding, say me, to see a me a sumbian kaminshe, Bible no, a kayashe, a da ube who's a Bible na kamashe, you will see how freely you will feel. Ye papa, do unia ya dear ye, Nama Nyankopon, unsha, oko show baby yin say, a men go yingu, man, men fa Christo so me dem your sofo na go show binyin send e betwe me asan say no akwa yegu boni mu boni me say boni mu boni motete asori dem mo hwe mo phone so pono egu mo phone so motete asori dem mo hwe akronfo ekokonsa mudi obi krapo te won chempo asori dem krampo ne nkasa oni obi nkasa that when was the last time I ukosra obi a oyare wa asori dan nim when was the last time I offer obi a oyare wa asori dan say all common sense Nyankopon wa my common sense which is the sense of right judgment, the sense to make the right decisions. Nyankopon dey my dada to know good from bad. Okoya de bia enya wa dwen na be ka kire say menua ade akwakoye enye. Okofo obi re be ka kire say ade akwakoye enye. Adwen be ka kire okowi ade be ka kire say enye. Enti no na enya me na wo yemu na o ne ye kasa no. Nyame bia na osofo bia nya different na business asori na business mo congregation no mo na mo ye customers okay congregation mo na customer osofo na mo ye beneficiary in a Bible no mo da AK47 na mo di wi musika de bia e ba ha ye ka kire mo menu aba me na mama. Do you understand what you are doing? Use your brains to detect the errors in the Bible. Say, and then maybe an choice. Jesus Christ be and be we are said that. For the time I start see about Jesus, now Jesus was powerful and on visiting. Miniaba, da ben wons aboa e kasada. Bible ne se mboa kasa. Miniaba ma Bible no nanka Nyankopon de choya. Nanka wiase mu nyina no nka constitution. Oba America ha Bible ya bande wo poor public schools. Untim go use Bible e wo schools bia wo America ha. even German folk from translate Bible no call Trimuma German schools call say or use Bible no na yen Ghana they age Bible na box say they call welcome me never mama yen say adwen na mama yen sorry na yen gi ekru ensi ho na yen body ekru yen hu say ewiase mu ye say papa obi panyi bi riesika na ache na kotum na ye no ya ne de o say ye no ye ne sa na obi de besu anyansa nso panyifo na mu we Ghana sika na mu nyinam ne nam ho Ghana nka yen pu ye hia mpo say akobol busia ho bebia na nka yanka say esika ene niema ye wona beti na build Ghana apostle kojo safo niema oye nso obi aman no mama yen sorry niema adwene nya adwuma be fi say adwene nya adwuma body ni bre. Do you understand what you are doing? The church that you get up every day, that you hold your Bible and go. Do you understand? Even the Bible, do you understand? Question. Do you understand? This has been your only Kofi Afum, your only one Kofi Afum motivations on YouTube. And what are you doing as Ghanaba on Facebook? Follow me, share the video, and let us all come together to change our mindset. It's not too late. Ghana can become like a broche. It's not too late. We are giving birth. Yeah, womba. And you say, build Ghana, my yemba na mobano. Do you understand? Yen papa my yemba enko American embassy in Korean line tin or na yen disgrace almost ha. Ye humiliating nipa visa kaka open ye to say we are boy bi. I didn't tell you body ye crew na ye crew enye yede. Mama yen body ekro na ye kro yen de ye be body ekro ma ye be start from your brain nim or say yanka say sorry na ye elected say because my adwin da ho mko to aba mo be to aba ma ni papa enti na be say bie my adwin mu first civil education ye bie my adwin mu a mko to aba mo be who the right person to vote for mo obi be da mo say Ghana ye ni AB in the politicians no say mo ho kire mo they cannot come and lie to us with 20 Ghana 30 Ghana and sana me no mama yen sorry na body ekro. Thank you very much. Share the video. This has been your brother Kofi Afum. My name is Kofi Afum. Share the video and I love you and we love Ghana, our homeland Ghana. Bye-bye.